Why, hello there. Today we look at premier Tissot PRX Special Edition, UFO Robot Grendizer. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. The Tissot PRX reissue became an instant success, riding the wave of watches with an integrated bracelet. All Tissot had to do was to flip their old catalog from the late 70s and boom, a star was born. Since the launch in early 2021, the available variants of the PRX started to breed like rabbits. Today there's a 40mm automatic. A gold-plated automatic, because why not? 40mm quartz? A smaller 35mm automatic? A smaller quartz as well. A bigger 42mm automatic chronograph, and even a PRX with a digital display. What more can you add? Hold my beer, said Tissot, and reached out to the other side of the world while traveling back in time. Welcome to the Japanese manga from 1975, UFO Robot Grendizer, also known as UFO Robot Goldorak in France and Italy. Now, when I joined HHN, I never expected to put those three words in one sentence. We have seen some bizarre special editions, but this one takes the cake. The bust of the robot covers the whole dial. During the day, it just lurks, barely visible. But when it gets dark, turns out there's a yellow lume in the outline of the robot, and it fricking glows. There's a custom counterbalance at the end of the seconds hand. It might be a crescent moon for laypeople, but a true fan will instantly recognize a Harken, the robot's battle axe. The box is the Spacer, which is the robot's company car. Excuse me, I meant the UFO. The whole package is like a message in a bottle washed out from the ocean of time, or like something from your childhood you stumble upon in your parents' attic. Tissot brought on board even the Nagai himself, the creator of UFO Robot Grendizer, and you can see him giggling over the watch right there. Yet, at HHN, we can't help but wonder, how many fans of this manga are out there? How old are those people? 60 plus? Either way, it's definitely not the watch you should wear to impress on your first date.
Confirming. It won't end like you'd wish it to.
And with that expert opinion, we are back on the planet Earth again. The year is 2024. Thank you for the ride. The next one will be just boring in comparison.